Hi guys, it's Erica and I just did a shopping video where I bought this orchid on the clearance rack, and I've been getting into orchids recently, so I brought my only two other orchids to show you, and this one was actually on clearance too. But he's looking great. I'm really proud of him. And this one's a little overwatered, so we're gonna ignore that one. But anyways, I found this orchid on clearance and he looks very overwatered. His flowers are done, which is probably why he's on clearance. But if you look at the base of this plant, it looks almost completely rotted and it does not look healthy at all. And I only realized this when I was checking out. So he's not looking good. And anywhere you put it, it leaves a big puddle of water. So we need to repot him ASAP. So I'm gonna put him in here. Hopefully he'll come out beautifully. Yeah, this is so wet. That's too soaked. So let me move over. So right now I'm just gonna take a look at his roots. And I'm really nervous, but I'm seeing some healthy roots. So I'm feeling good about that. Oh, I forgot about his flowers. I really don't know much about orchids. Oh my gosh. Do you see this giant root ball right here? What the heck is going on? I don't know what to do. This root ball is insane. This root ball is insane and it is so full of water. I was really not expecting this. And there's also other gushy pieces. Oh, it's kind of gross. This piece right here. Yeah, this orchid is not looking too good at all. Okay, I honestly have no clue what to do about this root ball. I think it's just wrapped around sphagnum moss though, so I'm going to try and take out as much sphagnum moss as possible. And there is foam inside of this root ball with sphagnum moss. What is going on, man? This is a way bigger struggle than I originally expected it would be. I thought I was just gonna take it out, cut off some dead roots, and then put it into some orchid bark, but clearly this might take a while. Okay, so I separated it because, I don't know, this just does not look good at all. So might as well just separate it and try to save each one individually, right? The base of the plant looks just so bad. So bad that I really hope this works. I honestly will be very shocked if it does. I'm just gonna try to take away as much dead material as possible. Well, I think this looks a little better. It's not completely amazing, but I'm gonna leave this one alone. I think that's the most I can do for this one. And we're gonna pot him separately, and I'm gonna try to figure out the rest of this plant. Okay, I split off this one too, and this one's the one with this flower spike. And this one barely has any roots. These roots are all pretty much rotted. But the base of this one looks healthier than the base of the rest. So, I have faith in this one to live. But this is how it looks. It's not looking too good though, but better than the other one in my opinion. So I'm gonna pot this one separately also. So right now I have two different orchids to pot. I need to get more pots. And this guy looks the absolute worst because this is the one that has the giant root mass attached to it, which I have no idea what's going on with this giant root mass. Like, I don't know what's going on here. This is the last one, and this looks like it's dead. This one doesn't look very healthy, and the rest just doesn't look healthy either. So I have very little faith in this one to live, but might as well just pot it up anyways. Okay, I don't have any actual orchid pots, but this one came in a pot, like just a regular nursery pot. So I'm gonna put them into nursery pots for now, and I'm only gonna use medium-sized orchid bark for them since they're pretty rotted, and I don't want to have too much like small medium in there, just to prevent it from rotting more, hopefully. Okay, so first one I'll pot is the guy with the flower, and I don't really know how to cut off flower spikes, so I'm gonna leave the flower spikes on for now, but let me know in the comments what I should do with them, because they look like they should be cut. Oh, I forgot to mention what type of orchid this is. I don't remember the name, so I'm gonna read it to you off the phone. So this is an Odontocidium Tiger Crow Golden Girl. So if you have any tips on how to care for this bad boy, that would be very helpful for you to leave in the comments. I would really appreciate that. Let me know if this orchid bark is a good medium. I just want it to survive, to grow some newer, healthier roots. And I'm planning on keeping these in a really humid environment. Like, I'm gonna keep them right by my humidifier because I think the humidity would help them grow their roots. Well, this is what I have here. I hope that's okay. Set them aside. I didn't bury it too deep in the orchid bark either. And we'll go this guy next. This is so sad. I wish I looked at the root system more. But do I regret buying these? No. They were 50% off, so they were like $12 or something, which is too much for a rotten plant. But I don't know. You get the experience. Hopefully one of them will survive. Just gotta give them a little extra love, and it'll make it. So this is how this guy's looking. I didn't want to bury him too deep either. I'm worried that they don't like to be buried. I I don't think they do. But this looks really nice. If it survives, I'll be so happy. And I have the last guy, the last crazy guy with the root ball. I'm honestly so shocked about this root ball. Like, what is going on? I tried to take out as much sphagnum moss and sponge as possible, but I don't really know. I don't know what's going on with that. I need to find a little pot for him. Okay guys, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna finish potting this off camera, but I have my 2 other little babies right here. So please let me know if you have any tips for these guys. Oh, damn it, it died. Okay guys, my battery died before I got to finish what I was saying. So I just went ahead and repotted this guy. This is how he's looking better, but not too good. I don't know about that one, but I really hope that these live because I think their leaves are so pretty. Usually I like orchids that have really cool foliage. Like, they don't need their flowers. Like, that's the whole entire reason that I bought this one. Look at these leaves. Those are amazing. They're called mottled leaves, I think. They're just so pretty. I really hope these survive. It was $12 for, well, I guess what I got out of it, 3 plants. I just really hope at least one survives because I think these plants are so pretty. And their flowers are really cool looking too. When they're healthy, they'll probably look amazing. But yeah, that is it. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with these guys, I would highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more plant content. And thank you again so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!